Hey guys, in this short video tutorial, I'll show you how to blur a specific part of a video in CapCut. First thing, I will copy this clip, Control V. I'm going to paste it here and then drag it directly on top to bring them overlay. Once we create an overlay, I'm gonna be adding the blur effect on the overlay. So I'm gonna actually just go over here on the effect and click on video effect. There is a drop down menu here. Come over here that says blur. Drag on this blur and input it into this overlay. Don't put it on top here like this. You need to drop it inside the overlay like this. And what you need to do is select the overlaying video and head to the top. Click on mask and then select rectangle. You could use a circle. I use a rectangle and then go to top right again and click on reverse or inverse button. And then what you want to do is go and resize the mask, as you don't probably want it to be too big, just enough to be the right part of the video, and now it's blurred. But if I play it back, you'll see the car moves. Therefore, all these go in the keyframe. To do this, go to the top right and click on diamond icon which says add frame. Add one at the start, and then what you need to do is start scrubbing through and playing it back and then moving it where it's necessary. Do this in small increments. Make it as smooth as possible. So just keep playing it back and moving it. Now when I go and play it back, you'll see the blur goes and keep following the car. If you find this tutorial useful, please leave a like.